Let's talk about wrapping items. So I'm going to go to the last view, this view over here. Let's duplicate this and change the background color of the new view to gray. So here's our new view, and we have a bit of extra space here. So what do you think will happen if we add an extra view here? Let's find out. So let's duplicate this one more time and change the background color of the new view to green, yellow. Do you see what happened? The blue view got shrunk, so the green view can fit on the screen. So this is the default behavior. If our items overflow across the main axis, one or more items get shrunk, so other items can fit on the screen. We can change this behavior by enabling wrapping. So we go to our container. Here's our container. We apply a new style called flexwrap. The default value is no wrap. We set this to wrap, but when I save the changes, the alignment of these items is going to get screwed. Take a look. See what happened? So we have wrapping because the green view is appearing on the second line and the blue view is no longer shrunk. But what happened to our vertical alignment? We wanted all these items to be vertically in the center of the screen. This is where a lot of people get confused, so let me clarify it for you. When we enable wrapping, the align items property behaves a bit differently. So if you have multiple lines, the align items property determines the alignment of items within each line. Let me show you with a good example. So I'm going to change the height of the first view, the blue view, to 300. See what's happening? Within each line, our items are vertically centered. Now currently, we have a single item on the second line, but if you had multiple items with different heights, all these items would also be vertically centered. So align items property determines the alignment of items along the secondary axis within each line. Now, if you want to put all these items together in the center of the screen or in the center of the vertical axis, we use a different property. It's called aligncontent. So we want to align the entire content as a whole. We set this to center. Now, all these items are appearing in the center of the vertical or the secondary axis. So this is the difference between align items and align content. Align items determines the alignment of items within each line, and align content determines the alignment of the entire content. Now, align content only works if we have wrapping. If we don't have wrapping, it has no effect. So this is all about wrapping.